Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this electric toothbrush from Baoveri. Now I do want to thank Baoveri for actually gifting this to me. And so I've used my fair share of electric toothbrushes, and the one thing I appreciate about this is that it's got different intensity levels and brushing modes. So from what I've learned in school, as far as brushing modes go, it has a brushing mode for cleaning, whitening, polishing, gum care, and sensitive teeth. Now, I do plan on using this as a travel toothbrush just because it has a 60-day battery life, which is a lot longer compared to other toothbrushes that I've used. And so with other toothbrushes that I've used, I've had to carry along the charger with me. But because it's able to have a 60-day battery life, I will no longer have to carry this charger case that you see here. It includes about, I'd say, 6 replacement brush heads, and it is pretty lightweight. And so I do plan on putting this in my travel case. But overall, if you're looking for a toothbrush with 6 extra brush heads and is pretty travel friendly, definitely check this one out. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.